Hey guys, today we're going to do some plastic welding repairs on this kayak. The previous owners drilled some holes in the sides and we're going to go ahead and fill those in. But first what we're going to do is we're going to do some test welds to see the best way to go ahead and do that. Let's get to it. Okay, I've got myself a piece of polyethylene I've got myself a piece of polyethylene plastic. What we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole into it that's the same size as the holes in the kayak, and we'll go ahead and do some test welds. If you're looking for some of this, you might try like a kayak shop that does repairs. Sometimes they'll have an old kayak that they use for they cut them up and then they'll take those pieces and use them for plastic welding. Or they just cut the kayaks up and throw them away if they're broken, depending. There is two types of polyethylene. One is a cross-linked polyethylene, which is non-weldable. Most kayaks that are made out of this thicker plastic are polyethylene and they can be welded. So let's go ahead and drill a hole. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a little vise. And that way it'll hold it for us. Yeah, I'll go ahead and hold this for a minute so it cools down. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I just put it out a little further than smooth, and then on this side I ended up putting it in and then pulling it back just a little bit to try to smooth both sides. Now what I'll do is go ahead and cut this. Might be a little early, it's still pretty hot, but there you go. And look at this side. See if I can do it without cutting myself. There we go. Okay, now all I gotta do is come back and scrape that and it'll be pretty smooth. It'll be a lot better than having some holes in it. Okay, I'm all done with the welding, and this is the first two I did, and they didn't come out perfect, but I learned a lot about it. You'll notice they're indented a little bit, and if I wanted to come through and scrape that smooth, I wouldn't be able to. I'd have to add more filler. Now, the reason for that is I took my filler rod and I came in from this side when I inserted the rod. On the second set of holes, you'll see they're actually smooth. And the reason for that is, obviously, what I did was I came in with the filler rod and I came in from this side, and it actually pushed the side of the kayak out just a little bit. And at this point I can come and scrape this off if I really want this to be real nice and smooth. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, go ahead and give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.